Hello, I'm Captain Tom from MarineMax of Haze, Italy. When I say Italy, what first comes to mind? Pasta, wine. Is it the architecture of those finely crafted European, Italian automobiles? Or is it yachts? Or is it mega yachts? In 1969, Paolo Vitelli founded Azimut Yachts. First and foremost was value for the customer, second value for the company itself. They did so well that actually in 1985 they're actually able to purchase Benetti Boat Works. Combined, the two companies together have built and produced some of the finest boats and yachts crafted on the water today, from 34 to 120 foot. Actually, they are the #1 mega yacht builder in the world. How do they do that? And I know I'm going to butcher these names, but I'll work on them. By hiring such world architects, world-renowned architects as Healy, interior designers such as Francois Guida, or could it be the decor by Pearl Darren? Again, I do need to work on those names, but it's a concept of building the finest crafted yachts on the water today. What we're so excited here at MarineMax is soon we'll be unveiling the Summer Wave extravaganza. That's where we're going to be bringing these boats to a location near you, to where you can get on board, you can touch, feel, ride, and experience the craftsmanship for yourself. And what's so unique about this company is the ability that you have to make these vessels truly your own, whether it be changing slightly the decor, their carpets, the drapes, whatever the case may be. So again, we're very excited. Summer Wave promotion coming to a location near you soon. This is Captain Tom, MarineMax of Cape Haze. Again, Azimut Yachts, #1 mega yacht in the world, coming to a location near you soon.